And I just want to tell you that anyone can learn programming, even a dummy. Right, Mortimer? Can't you learn programming?
I'm the dummy. I don't know how I can learn programming.
Well, I think you can.
Even a dummy can do it.
Okay, well, show me how.
Hi guys, this is Howard from Crazy Tech. Today I'm going to talk about programming, learning programming in Java language. Anybody, young or old, can learn programming. Java programming isn't that difficult. It's no difficult than the basic language program I learned in the 1980s. And if you get a head start on it and you're young, it'll be a breeze. By the way, Java was first originally named Oak, and it was eventually named after Java Coffee. Probably because they were having coffee while they were designing the Java language system. I follow a couple tutorials on the internet. One is Java tutorial for beginners with programming with Mosh. I was self-taught, and actually so is my daughter, who is also self-taught, and she's working right now, a software developer, and she knows what she's doing. But if she hadn't started early at the age of 10 or 12, she wouldn't be as far as she is today. And I think anybody can start. And for example, here is a simple program that everybody starts out with, and Programming with Mosh has it up on his tutorial. He has 6-hour tutorials and 2-hour tutorials and an hour tutorials. You can go on there and just start. But before you start your tutorials, you want to put the language in your computer. And one of the languages that people use is Eclipse, and it's free. It's a Java language, and it's easy to set up, and you can run and test your programs and run your examples on your PC. And this is a Java example from Banas. He gives a lot of Java tutorials, and he's using Eclipse. This is what Eclipse looks like. On the right side are the results from the programs that he's been giving examples on. And here's the website to download Eclipse. Just above my head, right over there, you can download it, and it's like an editor compiler that you can use to build your applications and learn Java language programming. When you're ready to program apps, there's another program called Android Studio. Then you can build your applications with Android Studio for the different mobile devices. Now, Android is just for Android. It's not Apple or iOS. You can then branch out to Apple iOS later on. And it's a little bit different language. It's still an object-oriented language, still very similar to Java. So this program on the screen is in the format that you've set up. Is just a few lines that prints hello world. That's what everybody learns at first, and you can do it too.
Even a dummy.
There's other things you have to learn, like variables and doing formulas or calculations, and that's all part of this Java language. You can do any mathematical method you need to do, and there's a zillion different methods or functions that you can call them to allow you to do a million different things. And you start with the basics, and you keep adding more and more, and maybe in a year you'll be a very efficient app programmer. So this is what I recommend. And here's Programming with Mosh. This is his YouTube channel, and he's got a lot of different videos and different kinds of programming. We're at Banas' homepage, and he, besides teaching Java language, he teaches C and JavaScript, which are different. But anyone can learn programming, even a dummy. Even Mortimer Snerd, the dummy.
Yes, I can. Just show me what to do.
Anyhow, if you like this Crazy Tech and Puppet channel, please subscribe. The subscribe button is on the right side of the screen. I think over there.
Just subscribe, please.
Yeah, please subscribe.
I'm gonna learn computer Java language programming. The subscribe button is right over there, okay?